to study my tertiary education. Since then, very napapalit. But I often visit Davao every now and then. And I always get to see the development and the improvements the city has underwent during the Duterte administration. From the father, the daughter, and back to the father, and so on. Pero unlike sa consulting sa itong before natin, ang ako is more on why did this guy this government? We should work at the times back in 2022 for only for 1 year.